Friends, now we are entering into another area, that is the past perfect continuous tense. First, as we do form. What is the form? Form is had plus been plus ing. This is the form. For example, had been eating. Had been eating. So this is the form of the past perfect continuous. Then next one, of course, is distribution. Same in all 6 places. For example, the first form, then distribution. That is our second step. Distribution is I, you, he, she, it, boy, girl, like that. And then you have got we plural, you plural, they, boys, girls, men, women, workers, and so on. So this is being a first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. They is the pronoun and these are the nouns. All these things we have done many times. Okay. So you can see I had been eating. This is the form. You had been eating. Please take this down. You might think that it is simple, but he had been, same form, eating. We had been eating. Please take this down. You had been eating. They had been eating, and boys had been eating. So now change. Very simple. Very simple. I had been, you had been eating, he had been, she had been singing, etc. Okay. Negative. Again, very simple. All you have to do is you insert negative immediately after had. Had not been. 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 And the contracted form is, the short form is hadn't been. Hadn't been eating. Hadn't been eating. That is contracted form. Hadn't been eating. So I think for today this is enough. Form, distribution, negative. What should you do on your part? Try. Take 10 verbs and then you write down the same, although form is the same, but write with first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, and so on and so forth. Thus you can generate or make some 100 sentences by taking 10 verbs. Just take 10 verbs. See, I will do one verb for you, and you can see, say sing. Let's sing. You can write like this. I had been singing. Again, you had been singing, like that. And then make it negative. I had not been singing, etc. And then you use the contracted form, short form. I hadn't been singing, like this. So if you have 10 verbs, that means very easily you can make 100 sentences. And then, as I always say, read aloud. Reading aloud is the first step to speaking fluently. You all want to speak English fluently. Speaking is very important. So the best thing is start reading loudly. Okay, that way you can continue. So tomorrow we will do an exercise based on this, that is form. How to generate the form, and we will have some sentences like this. See, I will give you a simple present and then you can generate it now. He sings songs. What will be the past perfect form of this? He had been singing. So this will be our exercise tomorrow. We can do this exercise in advance. Tomorrow together we will do. Okay? Till we meet again, bye. So this is the 8th tense. We proceed like this: form, distribution, negative. Yes or no question. W is question. Passive. No passive for this. No passive. And then uses. At the end we will have uses. Alright. So hope that you are enjoying my grammar classes. You must definitely share it with others, and also so that let them also be benefited by our classes, our discussions here in this class. Okay? Is that clear? Bye. See you again.